boys and girls. Today we are going to learn how to write a paragraph. So let's look at the components of a good paragraph. First, you need to have a good topic sentence, and then you need 3 to 4 supporting sentences, and these will actually be called simple sentences. So what is a simple sentence? Let's remind ourselves. A simple sentence is a sentence that consists of just one independent clause. A simple sentence has no dependent clauses. An independent clause, unlike a dependent clause, can stand alone as a sentence. Okay, that sounds like a lot. Let's look at some examples. Okay, so here is an example in red, and the first one's very simple. The prisoner escaped. Okay, and then our next example of a simple sentence with a compound subject, the prisoner and his friend escaped. And then another example is with a compound subject and a compound predicate. The prisoner and his friend escaped, but were later caught. So I wanted to review with you simple sentences because that's what you're going to be writing in your paragraph today. Okay, so when you are writing a paragraph, I want you to think about an ice cream cone, okay? So if you look down at the bottom, okay, you start with your cone, and then you add scoops like you would an ice cream. This is kind of like the same thing when you build a paragraph. Okay, so let's start at the beginning. We're going to build an ice cream cone, and we're going to start first of all with a topic and then a topic sentence. So I've got to have a topic to write about, okay? So I chose cell phones because everybody pretty much has a cell phone. But now I need to narrow that down because I could write forever and ever about cell phones. But I need to narrow it down to something that I can write a few sentences about. So if you look down by the cone part, my topic sentence is going to be, I believe all kids should have cell phones. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add scoops or details to my cone, which is actually my topic sentence. So my topic sentence is my first sentence of my paragraph, and it is, I believe all kids should have cell phones. And now I'm going to add a detail that supports that sentence. So my first supporting detail is, kids need cell phones to call or text someone in case of an emergency. Now I'm going to add another scoop or detail to support the topic sentence. Kids also need cell phones so they can keep connected to their friends. Very important. And I'm going to add one more scoop or detail to my cone. And I'm going to add, lastly, kids need cell phones so they can play games like Roblox, Minecraft, and TikTok. Okay, now I have my completed ice cream cone or paragraph, and I started at the bottom. I started with a cone with a topic and a topic sentence, and then I gradually added scoops or details to support that topic sentence. Okay, now I'm going to put it all together in a paragraph form. If you see there in black print, that is what a paragraph should look like. If you notice at the beginning, I did indent, okay? I did use capital letters and punctuation. Now I'm going to read you the completed paragraph that I just created. I believe all kids should have cell phones. Kids need cell phones to call or text someone in case of an emergency. Kids also need cell phones so they can keep connected to their friends. Lastly, kids need cell phones so they can play games like Roblox, Minecraft, and TikTok. So there you go. It's really not that hard to write a simple paragraph following the video that I just showed you. And I want you to kind of think of it as an ice cream cone, okay? Remember, start with your topic sentence, and then you'll add details that support that topic sentence. Now you know how to write a paragraph. Now you're going to write a paragraph on your own. Your teacher will have a prompt for you to follow. So attached with this video on your peak of the week, you will have a topic to write a paragraph from. Remember, when you're writing your paragraph, be sure to try to spell every word correctly, use correct capitalization, and don't forget the punctuation. Okay, hope you learned something today.